So yeah, so you got hoses, you got all this. Nice. And just for my friends and family, we are in Pease Creek recreation area on the Missouri River, west of Yanktown, upstream, and yeah, we're doing got some fishermen here, done really well this morning. So what time did you start this morning here? Were you up here at like dawn or so?
We were on the water by 7:30.
Wow, that's good, because I know it's sunrise is like 6 around here right now. So this is not only a fish cleaning station, but it's also a fish grinder for waste parts of fish. So you just stick them in those steel tubes down there. It goes down. You push a button and grinds it all up. And eventually, I'm guessing this is going to go to fertilizer. But yeah, this is quite the setup. Well, I'll let you be. Thank you for sharing your information.
You want to watch this?
Oh yeah, I'd love to watch how this is done here. So I could just aim right here and watch you do it. Yeah.
For a heavy-duty grinder, it's pretty quiet.
I was gonna say, I was expecting, you know.
That's how it used to be.
Huh?
That's how it used to be.
Oh. So these rainbows? I'm not really fast. Oh, walleye. Okay, I'm not so good on freshwater fish. I'm from the coast.
Well, during the winter, we do a lot of fish fishing at South Padre Island.
Oh, okay. Now there we're talking about.
Yeah, but if you put a big catfish in there, that head'll...
It'll jab solidly. I mean, catfish get huge.
Yeah, they can. Got a big one this morning.
Yeah. And that's the keeper bucket right there.
Oh, that's the keeper.
And like I said, you live by your sharp tools, so there you go. Cool. Well, thank you, gentlemen, for your time. I had fun talking to you. Have a great afternoon. And congratulations on your good luck and skill here, and hope you continues the next time you're out here. All right, have a good afternoon.